CFTC Report, aka the Trader's Horoscope Zodiac Report. The gist of it is depending on what you trade. Like for example, for you Nazi, SPY lovers, and you know anybody who likes trading futures. Might be going quickly, but that's only because you have the ability to also check it out yourself. Which is why, like I say, it's one big horoscope more than anything. Because just because you see that they're short, all that means is that they're putting in short positions. But much like when you're trading, depending on how you trade, right? You'll put in a position to be wrong for a little bit just because you're kind of getting a feel for the market. They do the exact same thing. So we have the micro, E-mini, S&P 500 index, okay? Now, retail traders, which are the non-reportable positions, they are as a majority going short. Now, this is going to be funny because once we look at a chart, we're going to be like, oh man, ain't that obvious? But then when it comes to the commercial, which is, like I said, hedge funds, non-commercial, which is the banks, we have a majority of them being long. Okay, this is important because now when we head over to a chart, this is a 1 hour time frame, right? And let me zoom in for you visually challenged folks. We have a downtrend this week, at least when it comes to the micro mini S&P 500, right? So price kept pushing down, kept pushing down. And we know, based off the CFTC report that was due last week, that the major players have gone long or have been putting in positions last week to go long in the micro mini. So then when we go back to this chart, we're like, wait a minute, they submitted it on Friday when it was here, a buy position essentially. So what is a good idea to do is if price is below where you know they at least have put a buy position in, you start buying things up. And what happened just in the last couple days? Buyers have presented themselves, buyers have presented themselves, buyers have presented themselves. And where did price go, you might ask? Not only did it go to a level where we know they at least put in some buying contract, but it went beyond it too, what I call a sell target. And the sell target is just where accumulation of sellers were, and those sellers came from right here. So you have so many ways to trade it. Me personally, since getting back into futures, it's way more easier than Forex. I've just been taking it with session open volume because it's just that simple. And so for me, taking a long position and being able to get this was good enough for me because I understand prices oscillate from this area to this area. But if I wanted to take like a swing trading approach to it, then the area of interest I would be at, just if we're CFTC trading, is going to be right where I know the last set of buys were.